Brooklyn Independent Television.
How big a role does the ability to express oneself, to be creative, play in the healing process? That may be difficult to measure scientifically, but as Healthbeat's Caroline Shen shows us, Brooklyn Hospital believes in it enough to provide young cancer patients with art therapy and artists in residence.
Maybe the skinnier brush would be good for that. You get some good lines like that. ArtWorks program places artists in hospitals around New Jersey and the New York area, and it trains the artists to really work with children that are suffering from cancers and blood disorders to present the arts as a way to channel any emotions that they're having and really facilitate the healing process for the children. So what are you painting over there? What is it going to say? World's Best Mom. That's nice. What else can we add? What is this going to have? Number one brother. So we have to go over that, right?
We were chosen for a 6-month period to have an artist provided to us who will come here once a week and work with our patients who are waiting to be seen or to be treated during the day, and to keep them entertained with some playful art activities.
That's kind of like a family all together, right? So we have the mom, the brother, and who's that?
The sister.
The sister. And what's on her shirt? Well, what do you want to write?
The premise for art, music, reading, writing, all of that is to distract a child from their painful experiences.
I'm making an outline on Joe's barn to make it look more sophisticated. I come here every Monday. It makes me take my mind off things, so I like doing art. Sometimes I do it at home and I don't have to think about what's going on, like my medication and stuff.
Sarah's a young lady who's undergoing chemotherapy, and she has come a long way from the time we diagnosed her. She has had a lot of intense therapy, she has had hospitalizations. She was a very, very anxious child who would start vomiting from the time she woke up when she knew she needed to come to the hospital. And from there on to now, she's happy, she comes in, and she sometimes would delay her departure from here when she's done with the treatment because she hasn't finished her artwork yet.
Joe is supposed to be my father in this picture, and in the picture Joe went to the market and I'm taking over his farm and watching the animals for him. That's a pig flying. I drew that to be creative in my picture, even though pigs don't fly.
She's been coming around 9 months. Just about doctor state that she has leukemia. And so far she's doing pretty good right now. And you know, I really like to see the smile on her face when she comes home with the drawings, so it puts a smile on my face also.
I'm always surprised by the maturity and the sophistication a lot of times of the children, the way that they're thinking about things. A lot of times, again, this healing energy that comes out of it.
Watch this and other Brooklyn Independent Television episodes online at brickartsmedia.org/BIT.